Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your image into Ibis on a new layer so edits stay non-destructive. Next, pick the selection tool and use the magic wand to target the background. Adjust threshold to include all unwanted pixels because too low misses areas and too high eats the subject. Once the background is selected, press Delete or Clear to remove it, creating transparency. Make sure to enable layer transparency before deleting, and use Undo if the selection removed part of the subject. Once the bulk background is gone, zoom in to refine edges and clean hair or complex outlines. Use a soft eraser at low opacity to gently remove stray pixels and switch to the lasso or brush selection to paint additions or subtractions. This lets you sculpt the mask precisely. Make sure to feather or smooth the selection by 1 to 5 pixels to avoid harsh edges, and duplicate the layer or add a mask so you can test blending or recovery without losing original pixels. To finish, place contrasting backgrounds behind your subject to check for leftover halos or jagged edges. Export as PNG to preserve transparency. If you see a halo, shrink the selection by 1 to 3 pixels and refeather, or manually erase the fringe with a small soft brush. This removes color bleed. Make sure to save a layered project copy and an exported PNG because the layered file lets you rework the mask later. If something goes wrong, use history to step back quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.